Hi students, welcome to this channel Easy Maths by Uncle. Students, in this video I am starting the new chapter coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is also called analytical geometry. What is this coordinate geometry? It is the combination of geometry and also algebra. Students, you have to know the father of geometry, father of algebra and also father of coordinate geometry worldwide. Right? So father of algebra, Muhammad Ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi. Remember his name? Muhammad Ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi was the father of algebra. Like that father of geometry, Euclid. In 9th class you are having chapter this. Okay? Euclid chapter. Right? Father of geometry, Euclid. And the combination of these two, first link given by René Descartes. So René Descartes belongs to French mathematician 17th century. Okay, he was the father of coordinate geometry. Remember his name? René Descartes. Now, what is this coordinate geometry? Students, in the geometrical figures, what you are doing? Suppose to construct a triangle, there will go three sides. First you will draw one side, another one. By taking the radius of another side, you will draw one curve. Okay, one arc, and another taking center B, you will draw one more arc. Okay, join these two. Like that, you are constructing a triangle, right? You can construct square also. If they give one of the side, you can construct square. So to construct a rectangle, you will give length and breadth. Okay, to construct a circle, they will give radius. Suppose this is the radius. You can take one center and this length as radius. You can draw one circle like this. Okay. So in geometrical figures they are giving lengths or angles. Okay. By that we are constructing the figures. Okay. But here coordinate geometry, what they are giving? They will give the points. Okay. Suppose here triangle is there, ABC. To construct a triangle ABC in coordinate geometry, they will give the points A point, B point, C point. How they are giving these points? They are representing with two numbers. What are these two numbers? One is x coordinate and the one is y coordinate. That's why we are telling this is coordinate geometry. What are these x coordinate and y coordinate? What are these points? I will explain in detail in this chapter. Okay. See, suppose here point A, x1, y1. Like that they will give 2 points. Okay, this is the point, two numbers. x1, y1. First one is x coordinate number, second one is y coordinate number. Like that, another one also x2, y2. Like that, another point it is. Now x3, y3. Where these points are coming? How to find the distance between A and B? Later how to construct, how to find whether it is equilateral triangle or isosceles triangle. All these will come under this chapter. Okay. First of all, we have to know how to represent the points on plane. Okay. Students, suppose this is the plane. This plane we can tell as xy plane or coordinate plane. Sometimes we can say it is a Cartesian plane. Okay, René Descartes, according to that we are having the name Cartesian plane also, this one. Okay, right. On this plane what we are doing? First draw one horizontal line, that is x-axis. So what we are doing, the horizontal line, it is x-axis. Right. On x-axis what we are having? Numbers only for x values. Say, suppose this is the x-axis. We will start number line, integer. To represent integers or number line, we will take one as 0, right side positive, 1, 2, 3 like that. Negative numbers left side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 like that. Okay, this is the integer line. We are representing, suppose 2, this is 2. Minus 3, this is minus 3. On number line we are representing like this number line. Like that only we are drawing x-axis. Horizontal line we are telling it is x-axis. Right? X-axis. What I am writing here? 0. Middle point 0. right side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, left side -1, -2, -3, like that. Okay. In your graph sheet, you can draw horizontal line anywhere in middle. Okay. That is x-axis. Right side you write x and left side x dash, x dash. That is x-axis. Next, exactly passing through O, that is origin. Okay. Draw one more line y-axis. Vertical line it is. So here 0, number line 0 is there. Passing through 0. Okay. Draw one more line, vertical line. This vertical line, it is said to be y-axis. Here also what we have to do? Plot the numbers. First origin place, that is 0 only, starting point. Upside positive numbers you have to take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that, upside positive numbers. And below 0, negative numbers. -1, -2, -3, -4, like that numbers. Okay. Here, what is happening? If we draw in the plane only one line, it will be divided into two parts, upper part, lower part. But if you draw one more vertical line, it is dividing other two parts, right side part, left side part. So totally by plotting these two x-axis and y-axis, the plane is dividing into four parts. First one, second one, third one, fourth one. These are said to be quadrants. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Remember this, we will represent by Q1. First quadrant, this is second one Q2, this is Q3, finally this is Q4. So totally XY plane, coordinate plane, by drawing x-axis and y-axis, it is divided into four quadrants, right? The combination of x-axis and y-axis, the intersection point, it is called origin, right? So that origin represented by O, points 0, 0. It means what? It is the initial point or starting point to represent the numbers on x-axis and also y-axis. See students, on x-axis towards the right side positive numbers, left side negative numbers, and above 0 that are positive numbers, below 0 negative numbers are y-axis, right? And here this point we are telling origin is 0, 0. Here what is 0, 0? First one is said to be x coordinate. X coordinate. Here x coordinate first on this line it is 0. And second one it is said to be y coordinate, right? Remember this. First one is x coordinate and second one is y coordinate. Like that, single point we are representing by two numbers 0, 0. And this x coordinate, it is also having another name, abscissa. Remember this one also? Abscissa, right? So what is abscissa here? 0. And y coordinate, it is also short name, ordinate. Simply we can say ordinate. Ordinate means y coordinate. Okay, second number, right? Now see, on this x-axis we are having values only for x. Means here x is 1, x is 2, x is 3, x is 4. What about y? Y, it is not having values on x-axis. Y is having values on y-axis only, right? So suppose this is the point. What is this point? That point in coordinate geometry we are representing by two numbers. First number, what is x? It is 2, right? 2, comma. Next, what is the value of y? On x-axis, y value is 0. Okay, 2, 0. Like that we can represent this point, 2, 0. Now come to this one. How to represent this point? First x coordinate -4. It is -4. Y coordinate is 0. Right? Here it is 5, 0. 5, 0. This point is 5, 0. By observing these 3 points, you can understand one important point. What is that? All these points points are having y coordinate 0, right? Not only these 3 points, any point on this line y value is 0, means this x-axis is represented by y equal to 0, right? So now onwards, remember this one. X-axis means what? That equation is y equal to 0. So they will ask like that. Y equal to 0 is what? That is x-axis. What is x-axis? Y equal to 0. Means on x-axis y value is 0. That's why we are writing that equation. Now similarly you can understand easily this one. See, observe this y-axis. On y-axis y is having values, positive values, negative values and also 0. Suppose this one is what? To represent this point, first of all you have to write x coordinate. What is x coordinate here? There is no x value. You see here 0. On x-axis 0. Origin is 0. To reach this point, from where we have to start? First on x-axis. So you are staying here only. Okay? So you are not going right side or left side. That's why x value it is 0. Right? Now what is y value? From here you have to reach 5 steps upside. Right? So that is 5. So what is this point? 0, 5. Why you are representing 0 first? That is x coordinate or abscissa. We can say it is abscissa. So this point is 0, 5. X coordinate 0 and y coordinate is 5. Now come to this one. What is this point? From origin you are not moving neither right side or left side. So first one it is 0 only, right? You are not moving to left or right. That's why x value 0. Now what about y? You are coming downside 3 steps. So minus 3. So 0 minus 3 it is. Now this is what? 0 minus 4. Now this is 0 minus 1. 0 1. 0 2. 0 3. 0 4 like that. On y axis all values, x coordinate values 0, right? That's why y axis simply we can write the equation x equal to 0. Okay? So x axis means y equal to 0, y axis means x equal to 0. Now we are understanding easily how to represent the points on x axis and also on y axis, right? Suppose point 2.5 0. See here 2.5 0. Where this point comes? X is only value, y value is 0. Okay, so it comes on x axis only. First 2.5 we have to locate. 0 is there. Right side 1, 2, 3. In middle 2 and 3. 2.5 is there. Right? Yeah. And y value 0 means you don't move up or down. There only that point. Right? This is what? 2.5 0. Like that, suppose minus 3.5 0. Where it comes? See, from origin move left side. 3.5 minus 3 minus 4. So this middle point minus 3.5. And y value 0 means here only you have to stay. This is what? Minus 3.5 0. Right? Similarly, suppose 0, 2.5. Where it comes? X value 0, that is y axis. So y is only having value. Y 2.5. 2, 3 in middle. Right? This is what? X 0, y 2.5. Like that. If they will give the points, we are representing easily on x axis and y axis. Suppose sometimes they will give the points in different way. It means x coordinate value and y coordinate value are having. Then how to plot? Suppose point A 2, 3. Where this point will come? Students, first this one is x coordinate, next one is y coordinate. This is the order. This is very very important. X, y. So first 2 means x value. On x axis you have to observe where 2 comes. See, this is the origin point. plus 2, so move right side. This is point 2. Now y value 3, from 2 you have to move 3. 3 y value is positive, so upside you have to move. Here 3 is there, you reach up to there, right? And this is the location 2 comma 3, right? So first you are moving right side, next upside, right? Now suppose B point is there, that is 3 comma minus 2. How to represent 3 and minus 2? First one is x value, next one is y value. See, first 3, move right side 3, downside minus 2. Okay, this is the location of 3 comma minus 2. Now suppose location C, minus 2 minus 3, where it comes minus 2 minus 3. First from origin move left side minus 2, now minus 3, again downside minus 3. Okay, this is the location of minus 2 minus 3. So left side minus 2, downside minus 3. X value negative, y value negative. That is third quadrant, right? Now suppose D option, we will take minus 3, 1. Where it comes minus 3 and 1. First minus 3, x-axis left side minus 3. 1 upside you have to move 1. This is the location of minus 3 comma 1. Students, by this you have to understand one more point. What is that? See, this is the first quadrant. Which points lying in the first quadrant? X coordinate positive, y coordinate positive. So if any point is having both positive values like this 2 comma 3, x coordinate positive, y coordinate positive, so that will lies in the first quadrant. So Q1 means both are positive, right? Plus plus, x value plus, y value also plus. Now what about Q2? You observe here, x value is negative but y value positive. So if minus and plus, if any number, any value, see here, x is negative and y is positive, where this point will lie? In the second quadrant. How to find that? First x is negative means you have to move left side, y positive means upside. If you move left and upside, that is quadrant 2. So negative and positive, that is quadrant 2. Now suppose what about quadrant 3? Left side, down side. Left means negative, down means negative, right? X value negative, y value negative, minus minus, that point will lie in third quadrant. Now what about fourth quadrant? Right side, down side. Right side x value positive, right? And down side it is negative, y value negative. See here 3 and minus 2, it is lying in the fourth quadrant. Why? Because x is positive, y is negative. Like this, students, you have to understand first how to locate the points in the graph sheet. In the graph sheet, these points you can identify easily. Okay, so in this video I am giving only this much of introduction. In the next video also I am going to explain fully how to locate the points, and by observing we can say whether the points are lying on the same straight line, or they are going to form a triangle or rectangle or square, and which is parallel to x-axis and which is parallel to y-axis. In this, what I am telling, x-axis means y equal to 0, y-axis means x equal to 0. Okay. In the next video I am going to tell clearly, suppose if any line is there parallel to x-axis, what is that equation? Okay, parallel to y-axis, what about that equation? Right? Thank you for watching this video.